IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you enjoy reading? Band 5 answer.
Yes, I like reading sometimes, but not always. I read books when I have time. I think reading is good for learning new words.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, hesitant, basic sentences. Lexical resource, limited vocabulary, good, like, sometimes. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences. Lacks range. Pronunciation. Understandable, but may have uneven stress or rhythm. Typical of a band 5. Communicates simple ideas, but lacks elaboration and variety. 7.5 answer.
Yes, I really enjoy reading, especially in the evenings when things are quiet. I prefer nonfiction books because they help me learn about real-world topics and expand my knowledge.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, natural flow with some development. Lexical resource. Uses topic-specific vocabulary. Non-fiction. Expand my knowledge. Grammar. Complex sentences used accurately. Pronunciation. Clear, natural intonation. Typical of a band 7.5. Can express ideas in detail and with flexibility. Band 9 answer.
Absolutely. Reading is one of my favorite pastimes. I find it both relaxing and intellectually stimulating. Depending on my mood, I might read a thought-provoking novel or an insightful biography. It's a habit that keeps my mind active and my imagination alive.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, cohesive, and richly developed. Lexical resource, sophisticated vocabulary, intellectually stimulating, thought-provoking. Grammar. Wide range with precision and accuracy. Pronunciation. Fully natural, nuanced stress and rhythm. Typical of a band 9. Effortless communication with a high degree of naturalness and flexibility. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.